Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you to generate asterisk pattern using two methods. So let's get started. Let's define a variable I comma j. Let's write a loop for I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Inside in this another loop will write for j equals 0, j less than or equal I, j plus plus. Here let's print asterisk. So let's write asterisk, and outside this for loop let's write printf /n for new line. So let's run this. You can see I'm able to generate the asterisk pattern as expected. So now the another method what I'll be using, only one loop along with the string method available in it. So let's get started. So let me remove this for loop along with the printf statements, and here let's include string.h. After this let's declare a variable char str of, let's assign some size 10%, and then here I'll use string method strcat, and first parameter I'll pass as str, which is this one, and second parameter I'll add a string asterisk. Once this is done, I'm going to print it using printf %yes with a new line, and then I'll add str. So this is done. Let's execute and check. Let me click here. You can see I'm able to achieve the same thing what we were expecting, but along with that I can even see there is a / available here. To eliminate this, what I can do, I'll just set this variable with empty string. So once this is done, let's execute it again. You can see I'm able to get the desired result. That's all. Thank you.